For over a century, it was known as the Fujiyama of America. It was peaceful and still. But on May 18, 1980, the Earth opened up, and the largest landslide in recorded history changed the landscape of Washington state forever. In March 1980, the mountain began to wake up. Small earthquakes shook the ground every day. Scientists noticed a massive bulge growing on the north face of the volcano. It was growing at a rate of 5 feet per day. The mountain was literally filling with magma, but no one knew exactly when it would break. At 8:32 a.m., a 5.1 magnitude earthquake hit. The entire